Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your color theme on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your login credentials in order to log into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from which, if you wish to change your theme within the application, go ahead and tap on your account icon at the top left corner. You will now end up within the account menu. Now, from the account menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and now you will end up within the settings page. Now, once you're in the settings page, you can simply tap on color theme underneath the universal menu, and now you will be able to choose from dark as well as light theme. You can choose whichever theme you want to set by simply tapping on it. You also have the option to enable default theme, which means that whichever theme your phone is following, the application will also follow that theme. So go ahead and choose whichever color theme you want, and your change will immediately be applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your color theme on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.